What have you done lately to improve the security of your home? Hey guys, Thatnub here, and that was a question I heard on a podcast about a month ago. And then I looked over on the table and I had 2 security cameras just sitting there waiting to be installed, and they've been waiting there for a minute. I was able to get this one here put in just recently, and now I can get the back side of the house, the back of the house, and the other side of the house right here for the pasture. I am missing this spot right here, and that's because it's being blocked by a shipping container. That one right there. I can't see what's on the other side of that. Today we're going to fix that. Right here is the shot that I want. And this camera here on the side of the shipping container is going to give it to me. Here's the other side of the wall. And we have the wires here for the camera plugged into a USB adapter. They'll go for 12 or 9 volts, and we have it on 12. And our USB cable here will eventually plug into this. Right now, it's only at 4.2 volts, which is not good. On the other side of this wall is a solar panel. It's only 100 watts, but it should be enough to power what we need here. Have the wires coming into a charge controller, and have it going from the charge controller to the battery, and had it going from the charge controller to the wires up there for the camera. But something was wrong with this charge controller, and it wasn't getting power to the batteries. And I tried this one, and same issue. This one is not working either. These are just some old cheap ones that I got off, I don't know, garage sales or something a long time ago. So I never really got a chance to test them. But I have a fix for that coming in the mail, just won't be here for a while. So until then, we have these USB portable power banks, and we will plug our camera into those. There we go. And let's hit the on button for this right here. And now we can see 12 volt power there, which is going out to the camera. Take this one back inside and charge it up. So now I have a 360-degree view of the property. Here is out past the shipping container. That is that camera right there. But if you can see right here, not that good a signal. So we need to fix that. Okay, here you can see all of the cameras. And right over here is how much signal strength they're getting. So here we have 19 is this camera right here, not good at all. 30, 40 will get you a good signal, and 52 there is a pretty good signal for how far away the cameras are from the NVR box down here in the office. Now with this system, I can kind of cheat. I can hook one camera to another camera and have the signal bounce through that one into the house. So I need to boost up all these signals and find out which ones are the best and see if I can boost them up even more. In the mail today, hopefully came the solution to our signal problem. It is a little bit better of an antenna with about 10 foot of wire, so I can move them to a higher location. So let's go put some of them up right now. I put one of those antennas on top of the shipping container, connected to that camera as close to the house as I could. I put one on the back side of the house. I put a third one on the roof of the house in the front. And those were the only ones that liked getting their signals changed. I tried putting one on top of the pump house here with these 2 cameras. I didn't like it at all. It dropped that signal. You can see this top camera here has the wire connected to it. This is the one in the front of the house. But that bottom camera, when I put the wire on it, it dropped the signal a bunch. So I just put the regular antenna back on it. This here is the NVR box, and it has a main antenna and a sub antenna. And I tried all kinds of different combinations with those wires, and it did not like them at all. So I just put these ones back on and we'll hope for the best. Well, it took some doing and moving some wires and replacing antennas and not replacing antennas, but we got some better signal here. You can see that channel 7 went from 19 up to 36. A couple of them went down, a couple of them went up, but as long as they're all close to the 30s or above, I'm calling that a win. Now all I have to do is fix the solar power system for channel 7 in the shipping container, and this project will be done. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.